My name's Arrow, and I'm a Sky Knight. This is my squadron. Piper, Finn, Jumper, Stork, and of course, my co-pilot, Radar. We live in the world of Atlas. Our mission? Protect it from the evil talons of Cyclonia. We're the Stormhawks, and for us, the sky is never the limit.
Still back! Battle stations! Hurry!
This time, no mercy.
Gonna run Widow's Canyon.
Oh, yeah.
Have fun, Radar.
Ready, Radar? Too late to turn back now. Excellent. We'll be needing those wings again, buddy. Gotta work on that one.
It's perfect. Absolutely, positively, 100% the best plan ever.
I'm not gonna like this, am I?
The storm's building in the southwest should give us perfect cover to monitor the new Cyclonian supply lines.
I was right. I don't like it.
Did somebody say Southwest?
Yep, I overheard a freighter captain.
You know what Southwest, don't you?
Who? Let me guess. Terra Neon's 24-hour gravy buffet!
Well, there is that, but think warmer.
Tropica!
Surfboards!
Snorkeling!
Umbrella drinks!
Sign me up!
Don't forget your swimsuits.
Thanks, Piper. I really didn't need to see that.
Stork, set course for Tropica.
Yes!
That's not what I was... Tropica it is. Passing over Terra Gale now. It could get choppy.
Stork, how you holding up?
How does it look like I'm doing?
Incoming! Closing fast!
Oh man, we're doomed.
Exactly what kind of doomed are we talking about here?
This part of Gale is a wasteland. Nobody lives out here. Whoa!
You sure about that?
I'm hit! I'm hit!
I got 2 bogeys at 10 o'clock.
SOP, ASAP! Niner, niner, engage, engage!
I have no idea what he just said.
We're under attack.
Hey, how's it going?
Need a lift?
Sure, thanks.
This swarm crystal should keep you busy.
Thanks, but you keep it!
Yeah! Get him off of me! Hot shot, huh? Well, you're about to get iced.
Was that a mattress?
I don't believe it. Look!
Take that, you Cyclonian dog!